We have multiplication of binomials. Why? Because in the first parenthesis we have two terms and in the second we have two terms. How we do this? We have to multiply every term in the first parenthesis by every term in the second parenthesis. So this is equal, we have 2a times 4x plus 2, and next we have plus 3. We have to multiply 3 by every term in the second parenthesis. So we just open parenthesis and we copy 4x plus 2. So this is equal. Now we will use distributive law of multiplication. It means we have to distribute 2a over each term in the binomial. So it will be 2a times 4x, and next we have plus 2a times 2. We have to multiply every term in parentheses by 2a. The same we have to do with the second term. We have to multiply every term in parentheses by 3. We just use distributive law of multiplication. So we have 3 times 4x plus we have 3 times 2. So this is equal. Now we have to multiply the numbers, and when we have different variables we have to just copy them. So 2 times 4 is 8, and we have ax we have to copy, plus next again the numbers we have to multiply. 2 times 2 will be 4, and we have to copy variable a, plus 3 times 4 is 12, and we have variable x which we have to copy, and we have plus 3 times 2 is 6. Next we have to check if we can combine the like terms. Because we don't have here the like terms, every term is different, so this is my solution.